What's going on, lazy bushcrafting fans? It's myself, Owen. Today I am going to announce the winner of the 223rd subscriber giveaway. So our first contestant, it's going to be Northeast Family Adventures, then Sean Thomas, Noel Newman, Southern European Life, IMI.NYC, Bing Zhang, Phase Reality 818. We have Adrian Lucero. Sorry, got a lowercase a d. Damn it. Okay, there we go. I also got a comment on some of these. Just forgot to comment. Yep. Thank you again for your support. Our next contestant is going to be Glenn Mason, Crew NYC. We have Lawrence W, who says backpacking is fun. We have Zareen Remedies, DeWitt's 12, who apparently wants to roast someone with the stove. Alright, let me also comment to Volin Chen. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate it very much. Also to Mr. Tranquilo, thank you for supporting this channel. Let me just input the names now to make sure it is a fair process. The next person up is going to be Amina Nina, Henry Chilton, Richard T, also Imran Abadi channel, and Jen. I appreciate all the support from you guys. Thank you again so much for subscribing to the channel and leaving a comment in the last video. Hopefully you will leave a comment on this one as well. Alright, let's find out who the winner is. Around and around it goes. Where it lands is going to be DeWitt's 12. Alright, well, go to the comment below and we'll figure out how to get you your prize. Thanks.